Hello everyone, and hello all my beautiful almost 1,000 subscribers for my channel. I'm very proud and very happy to have you here. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. This is gonna be one of the biggest channel and the best channel on the internet, or one of the best definitely. I've been doing until now over 270 videos, a lot of materials. You will need years to just go through it. I have an entire series of Haydn, an entire series of Czerny, 299, 599, Clementi, Mozart, Chopin, Christmas, Canon in the end. I don't even remember what else. But anyhow, today I'm very happy to tell you I just finished to tape my last 4 videos of this course. Now this course, I think it's very, very important, and it's about chords and arpeggio. This course is not about why you need to learn them. It's about which one are the major, minor, from the late intermediate, late beginners level all the way to more advanced level. This course is 14 videos long. Each is more than 15 and 20 minutes long, explaining in detail what's a chord, what's an arpeggio, what are the inversions, and so on and so forth. So I'm here right now to go again over the course. Number 1, I explained it in detail. Number 1, what's a major chord, and then I went over root position, triad, 3 notes, triad, C major, D major, E major, F major, which one are them, and the exercises. Then left hand, right, and this would be the arpeggio, played one after the other one. No big F and G, they're all white keys, so you just need to move your hand from easy. Extra bonus! If you want to have even more fun, you play them 4 times. Left hand goes, I'm going to go from here. C, 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 C. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Number 2 video, it's about minor triads. C minor, D minor, E minor, F minor, G minor, and A minor. So they're all the time from C to A, right? Number 4, I went over triads inversions, C, E, G, E, G, C, G, C, E, all the fingering and exercises, how to do it on the C major, D major, E major. Number 4, I went to minor triads, chords and arpeggio, how to play C, E flat, G, E flat, G, C, G, C, E, C, E flat, G inversions, and then D minor in detail, and exercises attached. Number 5, I went how to play these chords without being stiff, because I'm telling you, over 30 years old, over 30, and I don't want to tell you how much over, because it's almost 4 years of experience. I've been seeing it, hundreds of students that they're very stiff on how to play, so I'm explaining there, how to play the chords. It's not just press 3 notes at a time. It's actually a move, a physical move that, it will help you to relax and create more sound on your chords. Then number 6 is divided into A and B, 6A and B, because first I'm explaining there the extended position, C, E, G, C. So this time you have 4 notes. It's not a triad. There are 4 notes, C, E, G, C, and how to play it, it's very detailed. So, starting from the wrist, from how to glide through them, if to articulate, not articulate, and then the inversion that they are attached on all C major, D major, E, and so on and so forth from C to A, and then on the same time exercises, and then on the same time all of them explain it in detail, right and left, and see what you sing, right? Once on the wrist, it's following the fingers. You see how I'm moving the wrist? And then again. 2, 3, 4. And then after the wrist, as we learned from the chord, and do the chord. Slow and strong and relax out. You see I'm playing these 2 with this 2. Then number 7, again we're having 2, 7A and 7B, same thing but in minor. Number 8, we have in the theory behind it, like what it means to play a major chord, what exactly, how much, how it's structured in regarding whole steps and half steps, or they call it semitones and tones, you know. And in that moment, actually, I did do chromatic: C major, C sharp major, D, E flat major, E, F, and so on and so forth. And then on minors, the same. All the keys that are related with this. So I hope you will enjoy that. Then I just finished right now, so I'm so happy. They will be up in the next few 2 weeks. A long arpeggio, and this is already designed for intermediate students. So definitely, if you never play not even the extended position, this will be hard for you. But if you're already doing this, and you understand this, then you will be able to play this as well and do exercises, right? So again, number 9 has A and B, in which, oh my God, I explained it so detail. They are, in-depth, I would say, how to play, how to keep your wrist, where to keep your arm and the body, to create this move and to have speed in the future. Then the same thing is about long arpeggio minor, how to play it, how to... Next one. Inversion number 2. Practice in a slow movement. 5, 4, turn. You see how I'm turning? You're turning like you think that you have a door, you need to open the door, and the knob is stuck, so you're like, so you're turning very fast, very fast. From the another thing, don't do this. And you switch and up, down, and up, down. If you can see me when I'm going, and back to basics. Right, so to go, C minor, D minor, long arpeggio, and inversions and splits, like this one is gonna be, up and down, and then inversions on all of them. So I'm pretty proud of this moment and this work because I did not see it for free on YouTube, anything like that. And I hope that this will help you in your learning to play piano. Once you know arpeggios and stuff, we can talk a little bit, because arpeggios, they are everywhere, I'm just thinking, that's an arpeggio, on. Another arpeggio, or that's the Turkish march or alla turca rondo. With the left hand does have arpeggios, or something, and everywhere in classical music, left hand, even the Alberti bass, it's made of arpeggio and chords and everywhere. So you're supposed to know this back and forth in any way, So my way of explaining this one is first to take each of it and invert it and go like that. Then I will add to this course, diminution 7, dominant 7, and then I will add another exercises how to create like from C, and then you will play same from C, like an F major inverted or an A minor inverted, all kind of exercises, that it will help you in this understanding of music. Once you understand this, you will be able not only to memorize the new pieces faster, you will be able to, the left hand, if it's going very easy, you can play mostly 90% of the new age music, because the right hand is just going, easy tune, and then the left hand is the one who is filling up with all the arpeggios, and so once you know this, your repertoire can expand to really more songs that you will be able to accomplish it in much shorter period of time. Now, some of the teachers, they don't have this approach because it's a little tedious, sincerely, to do it all the time, this. And students, they might not stick with it, and definitely a lot they don't, and then they are practicing on the spot, on the song, that arpeggio or what it is. And you can do this, but once you are having an understanding, at least on the white keys of all the arpeggio, then you won't do one piece, you will do 100 other pieces, because mostly all the pieces, they are intermediate level, and they are composed in white keys, meaning major, minors, so you're not going to have as much as like C sharp minor or C sharp major or F sharp minor or F sharp major that has all black keys on the arpeggio. They're not as many, of course they are, but they are more advanced. So for just late intermediate, if you know this, then it's like freeway, it's like free for going anywhere you want to go. So this is why I created this course, and I do hope you will enjoy it. Nothing in a short, whatever short period of time. This course, it will be available as well on Teachable and on Patreon. So I want to thank you for my Patreon supporters. They're not many, but they are a few, and thank you so much, because it's a very hard, work what I'm doing. I'm doing with all my heart, and I hope this will be helpful for you. If you'd like to support me as well, on Patreon, I'm doing it once a month, like live Q&A, so for $5, $10 or $20, subscription monthly that you can cancel anytime. You will be seeing me one-on-one, and you can ask me questions. Meanwhile, just enjoy the course and do go in depth and go on each, this number 1, number 2, and so on and so forth. It will help you tremendously with your development, right? So I hope you are one of those students that would like to go. The sky is the limit, with the piano. It's a beautiful instrument. It makes your heart sing and makes a better world around you, right? So again, thank you so much for being a subscriber. Thank you so much for being a supporter. Thank you so much for liking these videos and commenting on it. And I'll see you on my next project. And just like a little peek view, I will go further with Journey 599, a few more journeys there, a few more journeys on 299. And definitely I cannot wait to go back on my, Chopin and Reverie. I want to do the Reverie, and I want to do some Chopin waltzes and more nocturnes. So stick with me, because that's going to become a huge channel, okay? So thank you, and see you when I see you next.